I can't take no L, I cannot fail. They can't get my swag, it ain't for sale. Pull me Ngakini with the drip. Everything I get on is a hit. On my own wave, I'm a sail. On my own wave, I'm a
You are now tuned in to recording live again on RadioDR.co.za. It's your boy MJ holding it down city to city, titty to titty. I'm chilling here with the legendary, the motherfucking champ, 2019 producer of the year, Durban Creative Awards, holding it down. Ngakini, city to city, titty to titty. Ladies, it's your boy Ndawo.
Ngakini.
Chilling with the champ.
Hey, I'm on your bits.
I'm good, my Chi.
Oh yeah, I'm
How
good,
it feel like being 2019 reigning champion producer of the year, bragging rights.
Nah, it's dope, dog. It's really dope, dog. It was really dope to be finally recognized, my nigga, for all the work I've been putting in, yeah, bro. So, yeah, it was dope, bro. It was dope. I didn't actually have much to say because I was like, yo, I've been putting in work. It's about time. Some of y'all recognize, you know? So, yeah, dog, it really felt good, dog. Yeah, that's all
I just saw
can say.
some shit,
Yeah.
some exclusive shit that Robin played me. I think you were in studio a couple of months back working on his album, I think.
Yeah.
That's fucking dope. You're a very versatile motherfucker, my G.
Yeah, dog.
Real talk. Very versatile. A lot of niggas are very one-dimensional, which I find boring. But it's great to find a motherfucker who is a versatile producer, bro.
Sure.
You know what I mean?
And that's like
I love it.
props to each time, bro. Like my pops used to play like a lot of different types of music, bro. From Branda to the Commodores to the Soul Brothers to, and at that time I didn't know.
Even that artist, Brand the Dog, will have
You know,
the most popish shit and the most
disco
kwaito shit and the most traditional shit, and the very next song is pop again. So yeah, dog, showcase. That's
so
dope.
with all of that, like subconsciously, like at that time, like I never used to like focus on music. I didn't think I'd be a producer and whatnot. So I just used to hear that stuff, and it'd always be like in my head.
Yeah.
So I think they play like a huge role into like me making the music and having all of that, you know.
R.I.P. to the legend, Brand. My brr, my aunties, we appreciate, we love y'all, we miss you.
Yeah, man, and yeah. So yeah, I'm sure the stuff you heard, was it like quite the stuff that you heard on Robin's shandies, or was it
pop
like
shit.
pop shit?
Pop,
Oh,
yeah.
pop, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You killing them, dog.
Yeah.
You shitting on these niggas. Let it be known.
Let it be known, man.
But I feel like we need more visuals from you.
Yeah, my G. I'm actually working on that, and I'm gonna be dropping a video next week, actually. Yeah, of my latest single, The On Wave, which was also part of the Lingo EP. So it's one of those songs from the project. So hopefully next week I can just drop it, guys. But a trailer, and yeah, I'll take it from there, man.
So let us know where Ndawo is from.
Ndawo, coming up into Eastern
Ngakini.
Cape.
Please.
Probably I ain't
Yeah,
Ngakini in Durban.
Shout out to all my young mamas
So-
from Eastern Cape. I love y'all.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, oh my Kosa women.
Yeah.
Continue.
So yeah, on Ndawo, to come to Eastern Cape, Flagstaff, in a small village. It's like I'm just like a village boy, dog, who came to the big city and whatnot. So I was born in Holy Cross, Flagstaff, and like most of like my childhood, I spent there, Eastern Cape, and you know.
When did you come to Durban?
In Durban,
High school vibes.
High school vibes. This was like I used to visit actually in primary from 2003. 2003 I used to come to Dubai, but that was still back like in Richview, Mayville, Nandan. So, and I used to go to Push Epstein Senior Primary. So like on holidays, boarding school. So like on holidays, whenever there's holidays, but to actually make like the move was in high school. Richview, and then I went to Malvan. Yeah, so, but most of my childhood, bro, Eastern Cape, yeah. Eastern Cape, Push Epstein, most of the time.
And let the people know when you produced your first when did you release your first project?
My first project, this was in 2000. 14, I think. 14. It's called New Era. Yeah, like a lot of I'm subconscious singing as Nah, dog, I'm not conscious anymore. But no, the funny thing is this, bro. Like I used to.
Also lyrical.
I'm so lyrical.
MC.
Yeah.
MC Ndawo.
Cat.
Young Ndawo.
Battle cat. Yeah.
Okay, dog. Yeah.
So, but the funny thing is this, dog. Like high school in Kali production, I used to do a lot of house and tribal. Like,
don't stop, Zash.
You know, I used to do like a lot of house and tribal. And like with my hip hop stuff, I wasn't really confident. Like I'd never play my niggas any of my hip hop stuff and whatnot. But yeah, with like the tribal stuff and like the house stuff, all the time niggas used to play that shit. They used to jam that shit.
Such a lovely memory. Such a lovely memory.
You know?
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. And then like when was this? When I felt like okay, I can play my shit to the niggas. I don't know, it was 2009 or 8 or something, bro. It's like, okay, I think these beats are like worthy of my niggas to listen. And then before, I was just doing beats. I wasn't really rapping or anything like that. So I was just making beats for my niggas.
Sorry for that sound. My nigga Silo high again. High again, nigga. You just saw some. Got him crawling and shit. But continue.
Yeah, so that time, bro, I was just making beats for my niggas and whatnot. And Sasi groups, that's about 4. There was a nigga called Pre G, Triple G, Cubes, and myself.
Yeah.
So at that time, I was just like the producer guy. The homies were rapping and whatnot. So as I was making the beats, I figured, yo, bro, so many beats, I can't give all these beats away to the niggas. And like, you know, they're not actually rapping on all of the beats. So I was like, hey, say, let me just try and see what I can do. Because even when I was producing and recording the niggas, I'd come up with ideas and whatnot.
And maybe your ideas was better than your nigga shit. Fuck your idea, nigga. This my shit dope, yeah.
Yeah, so I thought I loved it, bro. And then I just grew into it. And then it's like, you know what, fuck it. Let me just try this road rapping thing. And yeah, and at that time, Young Salela, you remember the show, bro? Oh, Tibo Taj. The show that he Rhyme and Reason. Salelo Envy. Oh, Last Days Fam. You know, like the real, you know, the rap niggas. P.O, you know, yeah, the real rap type niggas. So, like a radio. I used to record the show on cassettes. So I used to just record the show every episode. I record the show every night. And I just
cassette, nigga.
Yeah.
Old school.
TDK vibes.
Let it be known, nigga. Continue.
Yeah, so I just from there, bro, I just started getting more into it. I was like, okay, you know what? What's in the shine, but let's see what's gonna happen. And yeah, and that's when it all started, bro.
That's when the roller coaster started.
Yeah.
You know. Damn, dog. But like, Fez, you know, you're such a dope motherfucker. I heard some shit you did for Nipo. Some dope shit you did for Nipo, dog. Damn, Nipo's another motherfucker. She's like hard-working motherfucker. Tins clothing. Oh shit. She was the stylist for Robin Third Flow's Pumalela music video. What a dope professional girl, bro. Wow. Like, shout out to all my business women holding it down, getting that money the right way. I know she eating off of Tins clothing. Shit. That's a hard-working motherfucker, bro. Shout out to Nipo, bro. Wow, I love the shit you did with her, bro.
Sure.
Yeah, man. You actually featured on this track that I'm talking about, dog.
He's so party.
Fair too.
Yeah.
What a night. You're a very versatile producer, dog.
It's got like the 90s drumline vibe. Yeah,
dog. I love that shit, that nostalgic shit.
Yeah.
It's fucking dope, my nigga.
Shout out, bro.
So let us know what recently shit you just worked on, dog. Your latest shit that you just dropped, the last project you dropped.
The last project I dropped is Ilingo, Bits. Have you listened to that shit?
Ilingo, no, I haven't listened to it.
Yeah, when you get time, bro. Ilingo. So it's basically my latest project, dog, and it consists of like 6 songs.
Oh, it's an EP, Nyani.
Yeah, it's an EP, Nyani, So it's an EP, Nyani, since I haven't dropped material in a while, because I'm always focused on other artists and, you know, their stuff. You know how it is being a producer, bro. Yeah. And I've listened to your shit, too. Yeah. The people that I record mostly have your beats and shit, you know what I mean? From Robin to Yashna to... Yeah, so, bro. Yeah, my nigga. So shout out to you, bro. For real, dog. Shout out to you, dog, because... Yeah, I see the work, dog, and the beats are nice, dog. So, Yeah, bro, that's the latest thing I dropped, bro. And the music video I was telling you about earlier is one of the songs from the project, The Own Wave. So yeah, bro, I'm just trying to push that. Hopefully, man, gets on TV, get some rotation going and whatnot. So yeah, and then other work is just other artists, bro, from Robin to Yashna to Astro. You know what I mean? A lot of artists. I might forget some, just production, mixing, mastering, and whatnot. Yeah.
Which do you enjoy more, being solo or being a producer?
That's a hard one. And I always tell people I never want to choose. if they always say, say, when's Anjan man? Because I really like making music and making music for people or with people, So, bro, I don't know, bro.
For me, to be honest with you, it's actually producing for other people. It's more challenging, but I like it.
Yeah. But another thing for me, bro, is like I'm used to being like laid back being behind the scenes, bro. Like let the people have their shine and do the things. So
I don't even consider being behind the scenes, dog.
So in Teganjana, so that's what I'm saying. Sometimes I can be like just be about, okay, let me just be behind the scenes. I'll produce for people and handle this thing. But I have my seasons. Then when I have like, I also have some shit to say. I also have some shit to drop. So it varies, dog. Just varies with time. So,
like, for me, being a solo artist, it was a situation where I was literally releasing my CV, just letting people know that this is what's available musically in Durban. So
this is what I can do also.
Yeah, that's basically what I can do.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? That's why I actually started being solo. To a point where I'm like, oh shit, my solo shit is actually doing some shit. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That was why I did.
Because sometimes you're right. Sometimes you can't control. You'll be like, okay, you're doing the beats, and then you drop like your solo shit. People are like, yo, they fucking with this new shit that you dropped, and they want more of that. You know. But obviously, you still do the beats.
Yeah.
So with me, I think it's also like that. So it's like whichever like pans out, guys. Let's say I know it's gonna get to a point where I'll be producing more for artists and whatnot, and depending on the time that I do have for myself. But at the same time, I don't want to just leave that out, So, hey, it varies, bro.
It's the life, bro.
It varies. So
we have the luxury of working as we are inspired. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like for me, I was able to sort of bring both those things together with something called Summertime Mlas. It's a playlist. Like I have a company called KwaZulu Republic, right? And I publish for artists and I do visual for them and I push them and none.
Yeah.
And I'm like, okay, fine. What is a dope way that I can sort of release a project with all the artists that I'm working with and make sure they get visuals and make sure they get pushed and maybe squeeze in a few solo tracks here and there. Usually where I'm rapping on other people's beats as well, just to get those beat makers some shine. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Bro. So I ended up doing something like a Summertime last dog and it's working out very well. To a point where I'm now enjoying Summertime Lives more. To a point where like I've delayed my own solo shit this whole year just pushing Summertime Lives, bro. Fuck it, like I'm having so much fun with this shit.
Because that's the thing, like how you're saying, like if like you can't control the traction and the vibe that you might get from from doing stuff like that. So you never know, bro. So.
But so far, so good, my G. You're doing your thing, boy. Doing your thing, dog. And you shit on these niggas as it should.
Shitting on these niggas.
Shit on them. Shit on them, dog.
Yeah, my G.
I feel like for you, dog, more visuals, bro.
Yeah, like, but that's definitely coming. That's definitely coming,
More, dog. The kids don't give a fuck.
Actually, just more of everything, bro. Aside just from the visuals, dog. Just more of everything. More pushing the brand. More like how you were speaking earlier. What's in J? From merch, getting the brand out there, bro, and being involved in other things outside of
and like
you know what I mean.
Not just merch. It's just merch is just an example. Like whatever you into.
Yeah, that grow. That's what I'm saying. That grow into, like for example, like get time to ball, like get time to disc. So to like be involved, let's say in some campaign outside of music, you're like a bit disking, investor in that side,
you have
or
your own
something.
like league, or you have your own festival or foundation.
You know what I mean? Shama J's for Intuana with my logo, or something like that. That's along the lines of what I do. So ain't something it's under. So yeah, dog, it's just about.
To be honest with you, that would actually work.
Yeah.
Soccer has a lot of money, and the sports betting situation has a lot of money.
Yeah.
There are a lot of ways you could flip that. In terms of, let's say, Ndawo was hosting a party where we're watching the game, whatever game it is.
Sure.
Fuck it.
Yeah.
Well, between halftime, there's performances.
Yeah.
Or there's like a session of you just playing some shit at that particular watching party.
Sure.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That would be dope. In a situation where you are hosting it, let's say in whatever room, selling alcohol or whatever and selling food, and then after time you perform or whatever.
Performances and whatnot.
That's a dope vibe.
Yeah.
That's a dope vibe. Ndawo or some shit like that.
Oh,
I'll give a game right now.
Gun down.
I'm letting you know, nigga.
Yeah.
Dog, that would be a
Gun
dope
down.
vibe, bro.
Yeah.
That would be a dope vibe. That's some shit that niggas ain't. I've never seen it done. But like, I'm not really much of a sports person.
Yeah.
But I know how much the sports niggas love their shit to the
Yeah.
point where
You know what I mean? And there's obviously people available time to play the ball at the same time. So
and then half time they go outside of the tavern and smoke a blunt or listen to some beats or play some music. Then they come back in that motherfucker. What if there was a motherfucking place where you ain't gotta leave and have time? Nigga, we still in this bitch.
Yeah. Everything is right here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ndawo, bro. That's the name. Ndawo.
No, we want to do this shit.
Ndawo.
Nigga.
Yeah, bro. That's a dope idea.
I know how much these sports niggas love this shit. At the same time, a person has a dope foundation that I like, or like in the game, is a Snoop Dogg has like this football league.
Football league, yeah.
And he's been doing it for like 10, 15 years now, bro.
Shit.
Even young person Vince Staples.
Yeah, you must have been Staples.
Vince Staples is from that league. Okuliso Snoop in Brian. Don't know Snoop fully, completely. Showcased. Yeah, dog. He was in his league, bro.
Shit,
You know
I
what
don't know.
I mean?
I just saw Mchita rapping out of nowhere.
Nah, dog. Intwana Snoop Lana, dog. Full and completely, bro.
Yeah.
That's another opportunity where you're dealing with Intwana Ngakini, Kona, let's say Eastern Cape, or whatever you're doing it there. Later on, and couldn't go to say, but when you're such a dope artist, I'm also an artist as well. Oh, for real? Oh, rapping more. Oh, fuck, don't look so much, do I say that? You know what I mean?
Get into
That's another
studio.
situation as well. For
Yeah.
only seeing Intwana, dog.
Yeah.
And that's some beautiful shit, dog. Whole lot of sponsors willing to throw money at something
Yeah,
like
to come
that.
on board and yeah.
You know what I mean? For real. And I haven't seen a nigga do that shit at
Yeah.
all. Other than, I think, Quest has something, I think, like a one-day sort of league or whatever. But I mean, if you were to take it seriously to a point where it's a proper foundation, dog, it would be beautiful, my G. That's some Nobel Peace Prize shit, dog. That's doing some dope shit for Eastern Cape, because Eastern Cape is quiet as a motherfucker. To be
I know,
honest.
dog, and like it'd be dope to go back and give back, dog, and just to be involved there too. And it can be soon, even if they far away from where supposedly the action is, like Dubai in the city, dog, that anything is possible, bro. So
Yeah, dog.
that's always been in my mind and my vision, dog, to say, because I come from there, I know exactly how it is, bro. So if I do go back and show them, bro, yo, I used to be like this. I know it. I come from the exact same place you niggas are from, man. And I know how it is, so I can, you know what I mean, be that example, dog, or be that role model and make things happen for them, dog. And to just give back, dog, and just show them with there's other things out there and a lot of opportunities out there. And
That's what it's about, dog.
so,
That's what it's about, dog. That shit is when you say in Twin, dog.
yeah.
You might end up being even more famous for that philanthropy shit than everything else, dog, for real.
Yeah, that's you see, another thing about being an artist and having a voice, dog, you get into those spaces, dog, and have the type of leverage. So mind you, with having a following and being an influencer, singakwazi ukukhuluma neminister mhlawumbe whoever, well, to get into those spaces, dog, it's like say, why don't you guys build at least one studio lapana or something, because you know I can be involved in that
Or
project
like
and
a sports or
sports
creative
one, so you know what I
sense,
mean?
whatever.
Yeah, creative sense of vibe just to keep the kids outside of trouble or whatever.
Ndawo's Youth Center.
You know what I mean,
Some
bro?
Tyler Perry shit.
You know what I mean? Because that's the
Tyler Perry
thing.
gonna make a movie out of you.
That's the thing. It's like in Ghana, there's a lot of Ghana that are talented, bro. It's just they don't have those
The
resources. You know what I mean? They don't have those resources and those platforms to make things happen for them. So yeah, definitely, bro. Bro.
That's some real shit
I said it. I'm gonna do it.
for the kids.
I'm gonna do it.
Ngakini.
Yeah.
So let us know
Yeah.
the shit you've been working. I think there's this joint project you dropped with Yashna.
Yes.
Some romantic shit.
Yes.
Oh.
Yes. I'm about that life.
I love that romantic shit.
Yeah, I'm about that romantic shit. I'm moist, holding it down.
Are there any visuals in that shit?
Not yet.
Oh,
Not
wouldn't
yet.
it be dope if you did like a
No,
7-minute short film?
For the first one, there is. There's a song called "The Private Romance." It's out on YouTube and whatnot. But for the second one that we dropped this year, we don't have visuals as yet. As yet. But yeah, it's coming, bro. It's coming. But with the second project, dog, like in terms of production and everything, it's the one. It's the one. It's the one. It's the one, bro. Cause that's the thing. So there's this guy, Uleko and Tim. So once we're done with like recording the vocals and laying down the beats and whatnot, we just called them over. Tim Vele plays the sax and then Uleko Vele with the keys. So it gave it that like full and like complete feel, dog, with like the live instruments. Vele get live instruments, bro. So yeah, we're really confident about that project, bro. As much as it didn't get like the recognition that we wanted, but like it's still, yeah. It's end of the day, it's gonna get better, bro. As soon as we drop some visuals and whatnot.
Do you remember? Remember that shit that Hove and B did, that On the Run trailer thing, that 2-minute thing.
Yeah.
That was the dopest shit I've ever seen in my life, bro.
Yeah.
It wasn't even like it's not even a completed thing. It was just a 2-minute short film of some flash shit. Just going on, Justin did a fuck with y'all. And it's got like 100 million views or whatever. That's some dope shit, bro.
That is dope.
Shit.
That is dope.
But like make it a 7-minute thing, maybe you perform like a 30-second hook there. There's a scene in that particular short film where this particular hook is playing.
That could be dope, bro, because that's how many songs on the thing?
You could do it, bro.
7. Imagine now, even if it's like a 20-minute thing, bro.
Well, I'm just giving it can be whatever time.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Let's say it's like a 20-minute or 15-minute thing, bro. Whereas instead of shooting all the visuals, we can just incorporate
just like a hook from there, a verse from here, a bridge from there, a hook from there, just to make one complete story. Oh, that would be the dopest shit. I've never seen niggas do that shit.
Game right there. Giving game.
Dropping game right now.
That's a dope idea, bro.
The only person, the only artist that I've seen do something like that is Slika. With his last album, I think there was a DVD and there was music, which is the dopest shit ever. Fine, the music was whack, but like the business move was fucking genius, and I've never seen niggas do it since. Okay, fine. You have niggas dropping short films like Shane Eagle just did something, which is like just an artistic thing, like I think it was like 13-minute thing, which is fucking dope. You know what I mean? We need more of that. We need more of that. The game needs more of that.
Cause you're right. Cause like with videos, bro, as much as videos are on, everybody's doing videos, man.
Yeah, dog. We must always try give it another angle.
Different angle, like,
if you genuinely have dope enough content to do that.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
No, that's
and
not.
And you have the music, which is the content.
Even if like, I feel like it's not an excuse, bro. Cause like, if you have the music, bro, if you think hard enough, you can come up with some dope shit, bro.
Yeah.
Like you can come up with some dope. If you can shoot a music video, why not shoot Illo?
Yeah, true that.
It just means the video. It's like a longer video, basically. Yeah. So yeah. Shitting on him.
Fully and completely, completely
shitting on him.
What's going on with the performance thing, dog? Is there any new performances that you niggas are thinking of cooking up? Because right now the whole live thing is popping up. There's some live shit that I'm gonna do, but I'm actually gonna sell my one.
With live performances, the only thing I've done recently is the side thing with Fast Movements. They dropped that on YouTube and whatnot. There was like otherwise there's no other performances, but that was the only performance where they had like, since this whole corona thing, it's like a digital what vibe going on. So yeah, we're just hoping to get more performances, but otherwise exciting.
The last performance I did was that Jägermeister shit with Robin.
When was that?
September?
August.
July.
Yeah. It was like, was that before lockdown?
That was during lockdown.
During?
That was during lockdown, dog.
Yeah.
That was during lockdown.
We were on the same one, like the following week.
You were on the last episode.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shout out.
It's fucking dope. Shout out to Jägermeister. Yeah. But now I definitely want to see more performances. And different ways of getting paid from that. Because a thing that I'm going to do is, because a lot of people are like, okay, fine, we'll sell the tickets and we'll give you a link to the thing. Okay, that's dope.
Yeah.
But it's a very short space of time to monetize on something. I would suggest shoot the shit.
Yeah.
Properly shoot it, like record it. Fine, you can have the live stream on the day, which is dope, but actually record it. That 45-minute set, including like, let's say, a a 5-minute interview, it's like something like this, maybe before or after, right? And sell that bitch. Sell it like how you sell a CD or DVD.
Yeah.
Sell it like that's what I'm gonna do. Sell it like that. You know
After the ticket sales, it's gonna sell that shit.
yeah, but like, the aim of the game is to make as much money from something.
Yeah.
Right?
Because
Milk it for everything it's got. Right?
funny enough, I had a conversation with Weash the other day. I was like, yo, as much as like, you know, because everybody's on the streaming thing, the hype of what are my streams and whatnot. But to be real, bro, the whole stream shandies, it really takes a while, but you have to be like a big ass artist to get like the most out of my streams.
Yeah,
so
that's true.
I still prefer like the old school way, bro.
Valid. That's the,
you know,
like South Africa's a third world country.
So
we really ain't that up to date to shit, but people still have money to pay.
You know
what I mean?
So with like I must physical says dog, it's more tangible way. One lab, there's no middleman, and
but
maybe
at the
it's my
same time,
old school way of thinking. But at the same time, you have to keep the project there. Drop it there, keep it there for people who can access it and whatnot. But have other ways and means for people to.
Because I mean, the psychology behind it is this, man. I am whoever Spanbani, and I'm on YouTube, and I just watch, let's say Yasna's shit, and I scroll down and I see your video. I'm like, oh fuck, this nigga's dope. Let me listen to more of his shit. Go on Spotify, fuck with the shit. Oh my god, this motherfucker's dope. Let me follow this nigga, and they go on Instagram. Oh my fucking shit, this project is available on physical CD. Ka-ching.
Yeah.
That's the mind state. That's how the customer thinks. You know what I mean? So right now you don't have that final ka-ching of actual physical thing. It's in like YouTube now, which is dope because you get those streams and those views, but Nakona Foods, realistically speaking, doesn't pay that much.
It doesn't pay that much.
Artist.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So to fully complete that execution, have a product in the name.
Yeah.
After some wine, you don't want your video to like Spotify, like iTunes, whatever, up follow your Instagram, and so fuck this product right here. Oh fuck, it's 100 grand. I'm not fucking buy this shit.
And that's why like it's important to grow your following, dog, and to engage. Because recently about how to the difference between a fan, a customer, and somebody who just like likes your shit. So once you have that relationship from turning like a fan into a customer, you know what I mean? So engage, give that person value and whatnot. So it's not just about you just liking the comment and whatnot, you know what I mean? So, and that person feels like they appreciate it and whatnot. So when you're selling merch or when you're selling a ticket, that person feels like, hey, I know this dude, but I can support or I can buy that shit. You know what I mean? So yeah, dog, I'm actually on that thinking down.
Now, another side effect of monetizing on merchandise is that some people might not even know you directly, but they'll just fuck with the product. As a product, as it is. Neo's Ndawo soccer thing. Fuck, I was at this nigga's shit, watching the game, he was performing, we were smoking, we were drinking, it was fucking dope. My team won. This shit, and I bought this nigga series, this shit, oh, for real? Bring me to the next game, alright, cool. They come through to the game, like, oh fuck, this is a vibe. Oh, my goodness, my CD, you know what I mean?
Cup. Yeah,
dog. Niggas need to have those conversations, bro.
Yeah. So
there's money everywhere,
Just have the content available. Basically.
Shit on these niggas, dog. Don't give them no room. Keep your foot on their neck. Strangle these niggas, dog.
No other way, man. There's no other way, dog. There's no other way.
Completely and thoroughly. Don't let them go. Hold on tight. Hold on closer.
Yeah,
but since your dog, but when I go to December, bro, I try to give artists this information as much as possible because that's how I'm eating, bro. Begin the merchandising thing, or begin the monetization, bro. The sooner the better, at any level. At any level, bro. You can have 100 followers and be getting money. You know what I mean? To like South Africa, so fine, we have these places like, Morningside, town, we have people who are hip to whatever, but there are some people who still want to fuck with the CD, or want to fuck with this hoodie, or want to fuck with tickets to this show, or want to fuck with this event, or want to fuck with this. We cannot sleep on that, dog. We cannot sleep. But the niggas mustn't get too confused with the online things.
Dog, you mustn't
get caught up with the shit, nigga. Remember the game. Remember the streets. Tax-free enterprise, nigga. You're getting that money completed to you straight up.
Directly, no middleman.
No
middleman.
Ramaphosa don't need to know we balling. Ramaphosa don't need to know we eat. You know what I mean? So I definitely encourage niggas to get that. Because with December, bro, niggas will buy any fucking thing. Niggas will buy any fucking thing, dog. Trying to fill out that gap, like, oh fuck, and it's December, niggas chilling with their girls, but Bukele. Oh fuck, what are they gonna watch? Niggas are fucking chilling, you know what? Like, you know what I mean? Where are they gonna go for a vibe? Where are they gonna watch the game? Where are they gonna do this? You know what I mean? Monetize off something you love so that you can genuinely do it.
Yeah, and capitalize on that.
Capitalize off it. That's the game right now. Any level you at. At any level you at, dog. From 100 followers to 100,000.
Yeah, and like the realistic thing is that, dog, no one's gonna do it for you besides yourself. So if you don't take it upon yourself, dog, then.
But if you do it well, you're gonna get help. You're gonna get sponsored. If you do it well, then the check gonna come.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
But it's like making that step and, like, you know.
When do you have a person in your life who you chop up game with like that, business-wise?
Business-wise?
Or you just hang around artists all day?
I hang around with a lot of artists, and we share different ideas and whatnot. And you know, I wouldn't say I actually don't have a mentor, but like I have a partner that we share ideas and chop things up with. And Yashna plays a big role in that, because. But my thing is, even with like the admin, because all of us have this thing of relaxing, bro. Like in terms of admin and whatnot, niggas can make music when it comes to registering things and whatnot. They might not take that seriously or procrastinate. You know what I mean?
And surprisingly enough, that's where the money is.
Yeah, that's surprising enough. That's where the money is. So
the money's at Several, bro. The money's at fucking Kumisa. The money's at Capasso, bro.
So all of about relax, bro. So I'm actually happy to have somebody like that. You know, Yashna dog. So whenever you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because we share. Because like, for example, I might be good with like the technical, the music side of things, and she's good with like the admin and whatnot. So it's a dope balance, dog. So yeah, I'd say
niggas need to focus on the admin, bro. For real.
Yeah.
If your admin game is good, you can pay someone to do it for you, nigga. That's paying salary, bro. Your mama gonna be proud. You know what I mean?
And that's where the money is, bro.
That's where the money is, dog.
How are you gonna get paid if your song is not registered? If you're not registered, look, SoundCloud, anything like that, how are you gonna know where, you know what I mean, where the money is going? You're submitting your song, you don't have your code. You know what I mean?
At the same time,
so
now we're in a situation where you need to fuck with different people for different kind of plugs.
Yeah.
Meaning, I fuck with CeeLo, and he might use my song for an adverts for Belvedere, and I get a check. Yeah. I might fuck with The Conjunction, and they might use my song for adverts for their restaurant, and I get a check. Yeah. I might fuck with a gaming company, and they might use my song in their game, and I might get a check. Yeah. I might fuck with a nigga who's shooting movies, and you gonna get that money from Mzansi Magic. And Mzansi Magic's like, yo, there's 150,000 dedicated to the music. Che, you're the only nigga who does music, I know me. You know what I mean? Niggas need to diversify now who they fucking with. Industries need to fuck with each other now more than ever. Fuck with your acting niggas. Fuck with the niggas who do skits. Fuck with the podcast. Maybe there's a podcast who's gonna fucking pay to have your podcast. You know what I mean? Yeah. Niggas need to start fucking with other niggas. Fuck with the chefs. Fuck with whoever, bro. Yeah. You know what I mean?
No, but like relevance to network, dog, and put yourself in those spaces and those positions, bro, so that you can, you know, get those opportunities. Like you're saying, bro, if Mchitawaka gets a gig, he knows, okay, let's say, like you said, he shoots videos, but now they need music. He knows, I got my homie, Jablad.
Yo, nigga, this is the budget for the movie, or this is the budget for the advert for music.
Yeah. So, like how you're saying, like it's really important to diversify your circle, like how you're saying, dog,
Fuck with these niggas, dog. Fuck with CeeLo. Shit, fuck with... Which is CeeLo's the only nigga I know in the movie industry that deep, but it's, you know, a whole lot of motherfuckers in the game right now, bro. Shit. Yeah. Especially in Durban, no skits by Bani, dog. I need to fuck with them niggas. Shit. Yeah. And they were at the Creative Award thing last year. I was with The Conjunction. We were lit. We were lit, nigga. Let's get me P-Watch. But yeah, dog, those are the people we need to look for and fuck with, dog. You know what I mean? Because your music is it lends itself cinematically. It lends itself to visuals. It lends itself to, you know what I mean, to emotion, dog. You know what I mean? So fuck with them, dog. I'm sure they'd be happy to fuck with you, dog. Your shit is fucking dope. And it could work. You know what I mean? It's your boy Jeff dropping pay right now. I'm shooting at these niggas. But yeah, dog, my nigga, let the people know where they can find you, like online,
Ngakini.
fucking Facebook, wherever, dog. True case.
On IG, bro, it's at Soul Brother Ndawo. On Twitter, it's at Ndawo Neo. And Facebook, I think I changed it. I think it's at Soul Brother Ndawo for its code.
YouTube channel?
YouTube channel Neo Ndawo.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool. Reporting live, Ngakini, supporting you, holding it down, city to city. It's been a pleasure chilling with my player, my brother, my partner, my loved one, Neo Ndawo, holding it down, shitting on your niggas. You know what I'm saying? He about to drop some visuals. I just got that exclusive, motherfucker. Ngakini. You know what I'm saying? Holding it down. Shout out to all my Xhosa mommies in the Eastern Cape. I'm gonna come through and see y'all. Next time my nigga go back to the village, I'm gonna come through. I want to send a special shout out to Wonko Meshete. Shout out to all my exes. Shout out to Wonko Goko, all my aunties who support us. Shout out to Wonko Mapoda. We appreciate, we love y'all. Again, shout out to Deeply Rooted. Shout out to CeeLo. Shout out to Uslu. Shout out to my nigga T-Bag. It's been a minute. I need to see you. There's some shit coming up. I think he's working on some shit. I'm going to show this thing. I got the email. He's about to do this fucking event thing here. Well, shout out to C-Bag. You're going to see us there doing it, holding it down. Shout out to Durban. Shout out to everybody putting in work. Shout out to Lungelo Manzi. Shout out to fucking low-key shitting on niggas. Shout out to Rhea. Shout out to Robert Doyle. Just dropped his eyes. I produced that bitch. You won't see all motherfuckers at the Grammys. Shout out to Martin Fuentes. Shout out to Shout out to Nipo Herd. Check out Tin's clothing. Shout out to The Conjunction. Shout out to AK Quarantine Tapes, the Myconic champ. Shout out to DJ Lab. Shout out to Kakas FM for holding it down fully and completely, bro. We appreciate it, dog. Shout out to Kakas FM. Shout outs. We appreciate it, bro. Oh my gosh, who am I forgetting? There are a whole lot of motherfuckers in the game, and we love all of y'all. Holding it down. Shout out to Lumka Fabulous. She just dropped something. Shout out to Script. Shout out to Celestial Mike. He just dropped The Hand of God 3. I'm excited about that shit. I know he put his foot in that motherfucker. Shout out to Audio Sims. Shout out to your all over in the city, dog. We proud of y'all. During this shit on everything right now. Where's with December? Ziyavuthi maze stokfela. Holla at your boy. Ngakini.
You are now tuned in to Recording Live Ngakini on RadioDR.co.za.